Hi everyone, I'm Dinesh, CTO at Civo. This is my third in-person KubeCon, and it's been really good catching up with all of the open source projects that we've been using here at Civo, talking to some customers that are doing some really amazing stuff, and really just meeting people that are doing Kubernetes has been absolutely amazing.
My name's Ricky, marketing manager at Civo. My first time at KubeCon, first time in Detroit. Really been great to get to meet a lot of our collaborators, a lot of people we've been working with in co-marketing activities, and it's been fantastic to meet some of our international team who I've not yet met before, so it's been great.
Hi, I'm Mark, CEO of Civo, and it's my first KubeCon in North America. I went to Valencia in Europe this year, but it's great to be here in person. Met some amazing people, been to some good parties as well, but do some great networking at the parties as well, but so many fascinating people, an amazing community of people as well. I also got to do my first talk at a KubeCon with Kunal, which was amazing, where we discussed about a mentee and mentorship framework that we're building that we hope to release soon, so that was really cool. But overall, it's just been an amazing experience and just met so many wonderful people.
Hi, I'm Dave. I'm one of the research and development engineers at Civo. This is my second KubeCon, and as always, I spent my entire time talking about Golang and everything but sales. So a good KubeCon for me. The number of demos I did was excessive.
Hi, I'm Sophia. I'm Strategic Account Manager here at Civo, so mainly help with partnerships here. It's been such a great opportunity to meet so many of the amazing companies, get to know them better, network. We also had a local artist come through and he made a Detroit logo for us. So that was really cool. We had them on t-shirts, we had them on keychains, and it was great just seeing everybody throughout the conference with them.
I'm Tyler from Civo, an onboarding specialist here. It's actually my first KubeCon and had a great time finally meeting all my teammates in person, getting to meet all these passionate people in their own world and see their journey to KubeCon itself. Yeah, I just had a really great time. Tons of people were able to join us at Staging Things After Party. I think we had almost 250 people there that night, and we all had a great time after the event.
Hi, my name is Kai. I'm a developer and developer advocate at Civo. It's the last day of KubeCon Detroit. We're all very tired after having an amazing week talking to everybody, both sort of commercial partners and users and everybody in between, partying hard and working harder.
Hey everyone, I'm Kunal. I work here at Civo as a DevRel manager, and my week has been very amazing and also very tiring because I've done about 200 interviews for the Civo TV. So if you were joining us virtually or in person, 3 days I believe is a very short time to cover everything that KubeCon has to offer. But don't worry, we have got it covered. You can check out Civo TV, you can check out the Civo YouTube channel where we will be sharing a lot of summaries for various tracks, for various domains of technologies, and interviews with people, their experiences, what they're looking forward to at KubeCon in Amsterdam next year, and also the hot topics at KubeCon. Apart from that, I really enjoyed my talk with Mark. That was pretty cool, a lot of great feedback we got, and it was just nice to see all the amazing friends from socials in person. I'm really looking forward to the next event.